Hey guys, I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. This afternoon we'll have high temperatures right around 70 degrees for the rest of today. Partly cloudy skies, winds out of the northwest around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and the average high for today is 76. So below average, cool afternoon. And tonight could be one of the chilliest nights in over 3 weeks if we dip below 50 degrees. So 49 degrees. I think a lot of us are going to be in the upper 40s to start you out Wednesday. Dry weather, though, just some cloud cover this afternoon, and then tonight turning mostly clear. Wednesday, overall, a mostly sunny day. And again, high temperatures in the lower 70s, so still just below average. A nice calm day. Wednesday looks like a great day. But Thursday, we'll see increasing clouds, slight chance of a shower by midday into the afternoon, so 20% chance you catch a shower Thursday. We do warm back up, though, this weekend. Highs will be back up to near 80 degrees, 30% chance of rain Friday. And then Saturday afternoon and evening, we'll have a chance of showers and a few thunderstorms.